18 at Madison. Across the Dakotas, at Sioux Falls, it was mostly sunny, with a temperature of 34. At Fargo, it was cloudy, with a temperature of 22. In Iowa, skies ranged from sunny to mostly sunny. It was 35 at Des Moines and 27 at Mason City. Once again at noon in the Twin Cities, it was 19 degrees. The wind chill was 11. Under cloudy skies. Now the forecast for the Twin Cities metropolitan area. Today, partly cloudy. Highs in the upper 20s.
The National Weather Service in Chanhassen, Minnesota has just activated the warning alarm on 13 weather radio stations across central and southern Minnesota and west central. Weather Service in Chanhassen every Wednesday at 1 p.m. If severe weather threatens the area near the normal test time, the test will be postponed until the next good weather day. The warning alarm will be activated for selected watches, warnings, and statements affecting central and southern Minnesota and west central Wisconsin. This concludes the test of the warning system. We now return to normal programming.
This is